Okay, welcome back in this YouTube channel. And today in this video, how to download JavaScript full course in Udemy without pay money. How to download and watch course. Okay, I can show which course I am download today. First, I'm opening my browser. Okay, I'm opening my browser. Then search Udemy. In Udemy, I'm type simple JavaScript. JavaScript. One of the best course download today. This course I can download and watch this one course. The complete course JavaScript 2020 from zero to expert. That's the very good course for JavaScript. Yeah, JavaScript is a very important language. I'm opening new tab and search hi devs. Hi devs.net. I'm showing this one website. Okay, hi devs.net. I'm searching search box JavaScript. Simple notion. Once again, JavaScript. I am searching. Then this one I can give link in description box. Okay. I'm opening this one. Then first I can show one video. Okay. There's how many courses? Last course is 21. Okay. Then I can also show in Udemy first video introduction. That's open. Okay. The sound is off. Okay. And thank you so much guys and watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and keep learning, keep practicing. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.